Ta-da! I'm here today to share some of the coolest ways you can save when you buy electronic products on Amazon.in at literally every step. Here's how. First, check out for the deal on MRP. Next, check if you are eligible for instant bank discount on your credit card or debit card. You can get up to 10% discount here. Now, everyone's favorite. Look for coupons. And right before you are about to make the payment, check if there's a no-cost EMI offer on your payment, which means you have to pay a monthly fixed amount instead of paying the entire sum together, that too at zero interest. Some of the other ways that you can avail more benefits are through exchange offers. Just go to the exchange section, select the product you wish to exchange, enter any other detail asked and apply for exchange. Free membership, subscriptions that can be clubbed with the product. An extended warranty as well, so that you can be rest assured. These are some of the great ways you can save when you buy electronics on Amazon.in. Like a boss.